These under the sink organizers really motivated me to finally get under my sink and clean it up and get it sorted out. As you can see, this is what it looked like before, and I thought it was organized because I had things in baskets, but when I got it all cleaned out and I got these two organizers into place, it completely changed the space. It not only created space, because it has two shelves, it lifts things up off of the bottom of your cabinet, so you automatically have more room. And I'm confident that these are going to help me stay organized, which is the most important part. They are black metal, and I like that the shelves are mesh so that they won't trap any moisture. Keep in mind that these don't slide, they don't have drawers, but that's almost better because when you do have a drawer pull out under the sink organizer, whatever you put on the top shelf has to be short enough that you can still pull it out. So I just put my less used things in the back and my more frequently used things up front. They come with these plastic hooks that you can clip in anywhere and hang things from, and you can even hang bottles off of the side of them, which also helps keep things off of the bottom of your cabinet. They were really easy to assemble and it took me less than 5 minutes. It was just 4 screws to fasten these little arms, and then it comes with these feet, which then actually act as the screws for the bottom. There are easy to follow instructions included that'll walk you through it, all the hardware you're going to need, and even the tools, so you have everything to put them together. I highly recommend these. I think that they are really going to help keep me organized, and they're pretty too. Who doesn't love that?